Oh, jeez, we've got to cook these. Oh, I've been too busy cooking the bloody sausages and with the beans. Now, last time I used the microwave. Today we're going to use a saucepan. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Mayday. Yeah, we'll put that on there. I haven't got a big enough thing. What do I do? Yes, I know, it's panic! Panic station! Yes! What are we going to do? Cut! Right, so, we're going to put that on to one. I'm just going to move that up to there and leave that to sizzle off. Because I believe they're done. At least I think they might be. I'm not too sure. Because on the packet, it says, pan fry over medium heat for 12-15 minutes. Now, I'm using a medium heat. I've been using the full blast, cremate them, get them cooked. Well, I don't know if that was wise or not, but yeah, we're going to put the pan on there. And we're going to get some beans on. Here are the beans. Pop them in there. Considering I haven't heated the pan up, I'm a bit of an idiot, so yeah. I'm sure if you follow this tutorial, your house will catch fire, but you know, whose fault is that? It's not mine. It's your fault for being an idiot and following it. Stop these beans from going off or whatever. We're just going to put a bit of cling film on there. Got it right this time. It is not cling foil, it is cling film. But yeah, those will be going right into the fridge. Where are the wooden spoons gone? Aha! Wooden spoon. This will be used to stir the beans so they don't stick to the bottom and burn. But there it is, wooden spoon. Are you cooked? Are you warm? Possibly. I don't actually know. Maybe if we turn it up a bit, then we're going to see the beans ignite. Leave that there for a moment. Have some more juice. That's some nice juice. Now, I think we're going to do a bit of multitasking here. This could go horribly wrong, but I believe the sausages could be done. Like I said, the video is not going to be this long, but I've been here for what, 10, 11, oh actually 12 minutes actually. It says 12 to 15 minutes. So I believe the sausage is done. So we're going to get a bit of tissue and we're just going to plop that there for now, and then we're going to get our sausages out of the pan. Nice and... People will say that's well done or cremated. You know, leave your jokes, you know, in the comments. But I think that's all right. I mean, the ends are looking all right. Yeah, I'll take that. And yeah, that one's looking all right as well. We've got a bit of. Geez, don't know what that is on the end of there. Let's not go there. But plop that on the side there. Leave those to rest. And next up is the bacon. Now, I think we've got enough oil in there. We'll just give that a swish. You know, we're saving the environment, so we're just gonna get our bacon, like the sausages and the beans. Oh, give that a stir. This might ignite and blow up. Great. The pan isn't hot enough. Oh, we'll cut there and we'll get back when it's sizzling. Right, I believe the bacon is ready to be sizzled now. As you can hear, it's sizzling, obviously. So whilst that one's in there, we're going to have 2 rashers today. And we're just going to pop that in there. Soak up all the sausage juice as well. And yeah, That's the bacon. Like the sausages, we're going to give it a flip. Oh Jesus, that has really that has really soaked up all of the sausage juice there. That's quite, it's not pleasant on the eye, but trust me, it will taste beautiful. Just give the beans a stir, just to make sure they don't burn as well. Keep them going. Lovely, lovely. And we'll have some more juice. Put it in the comments below. What juice do you normally have with your breakfast? I mean, I would have had the orange one, but for some reason we got that tropical stuff. And it's actually quite nice. Multitasking again. Beans, good for your heart. The more you eat, the more I'm sure you guys can finish that one off. There's also that one for bacon. Bacon in the pan. There you go. That's a good one. Now I've always been confused with bacon because I thought it took a lot longer to cook, but my dad said that it doesn't actually take that long because it's such a thin piece of meat that it just heats through quickly. I thought it had to be like properly cooked with some colour on it, but apparently it can be cooked when it's pink, so like proper pink. It's all about preference really, isn't it? I mean, I don't like my bacon crispy, you might like it crispy. I think crispy is just pointless. No flavour whatsoever, it's just crunchy bits of nothing. And yeah, leave your opinion in the comments as well. What kind of bacon do you like? I like a nice bit of fat on it, nice bit of chewiness, you know, bit of nice, like this. This is looking alright at the moment. It's not crispy. It's a little bit, oh, I didn't mean to do that, but you get what I mean. It's not cremated like these bloody sausages, but I think they're done and ready to come out. So we're just going to turn that down, put them next to the sausages. Like so, and then we're going to clean this out and cook the eggs because we're not cooking the eggs in that is just disgusting. Oh Jesus! We'll take those off the heat and put them here, and we'll just turn that off for now, and just give them a quick stir and leave them. Hello dog. Right. Dog, you're going to have to get out of the way. Move. I need to get these hash browns out of the oven. I won't be showing you this because it's quite tricky with the camera and the oven gloves, but I'm sure you'll be able to hear me. Whether it goes wrong or not, you know, you'll hear screaming. Woo! Look at those bad boys. Yeah, look at those. They are looking saucy. Right. That's done. No, we'll turn the oven off, and to keep this all warm, I will. Look at those; they're nice, old, nice bit. You can hear it. We're going to put these back on here because I'm making a mess of everything. I'm going to put these on here, and I'm going to put these back in the oven. Just to keep it all warm. There we go, there's the oven shut. Beans. Dan, why didn't you put the beans in the oven as well? Well, you guys are idiots, aren't you? But that is a bloody good idea, I might have to do that.